Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are out on the balcony again, and you know what that means? That means we're going to be potting something up. Today it's going to be succulents, succulent cuttings as a matter of fact. And they're going to be pretty special because they're going to be Christmas gifts that I'm going to be making today. And I have some new pots that I want to share with you, and also a discount code that goes along with them. So stay tuned for that. So these succulent cuttings here, these Echeveria succulent cuttings I had gotten from Mountain Crest Gardens, and these I actually took off of the Christmas tree, succulent Christmas tree that I made recently. I'll leave a link down below for that video if you want to check it out. But I took some out because I wanted to pot up some plants for Christmas to give to my family. You know, your girl's trying to pay for a wedding for her daughter, and I don't have any extra money to do big lavish Christmas to boot. So they are used to getting handmade gifts from me before. When I had my studio, I would make canvases for them, original canvases, prints, calendars with my artwork on it. So now that my main hobby is succulents and houseplants, that's what they're going to be getting. Cuttings from houseplants, succulents, cacti, things like that. But I am going to give them also little instructions on care guide for them too, to kind of start them off in their best way. But these succulents have been on that moss tree for a little while. They've already started giving off some roots there. And I'm potting up 4 today. I'm making 4 pots. And so I took them off, and we're going to be doing that today. I've got my mix here that I'm going to show you in just a minute. So let me turn the camera around so I can show you the pots and the mix I'm going to be using. So the mix I have here is the kind that I always use for my succulents. It is a standard mix, potting mix from Miracle Grow as far as their succulents, but I do add perlite. Use the white things there. I do add perlite to that. So this is the standard mix I use, and my succulents do really well in it. You know, it falls apart very easily, very free draining. Okay, and then the pots. These are the pots I'm going to be using. I want to thank the company Becco for sending these out to me and sponsoring this video today. I was very happy to receive these. They're extremely well packaged. I've got dirt all under my nails. Extremely well packaged, but look how pretty these are. They are glazed ceramic, so soft, and the marble look to them. They're 4-inch pots. Have a drainage hole already. So I think that these will look just perfect in there. Perfect size for them. Some of the smaller ones I'm going to put 2 in. And the great thing about these is you just simply pop them in like that, and they'll grow there. I'm doing this now, which is today's date, what, December 7th. Oh, Pearl Harbor Day, goodness. I'm doing this now so it will give a chance by Christmas Eve, when our family exchanges gifts on Christmas Eve, they will be pretty much well rooted. I am going to put some rocks around it too, but let me get these potted up first. back inside now because living in an apartment complex on a Saturday morning, kids are outside and playing of all things, you know. Anyways, so I finished up potting them, and then I put this little black rock in. That I got from Dollar Tree, friends. It was just a little bag of little black rocks, decorative rocks, and they were $1, and I've had them, so I put them on there for a couple of reasons. One, yes, decorative, but two, since these are cuttings, they're going to be sitting pretty low, and their leaves, their bottom leaves, will be touching the soil. So to help with possible rotting of the leaves, when you water them, I always add some type of rock, some type of decorative rock to protect them from that. And this black one I think goes really, really well with the marble on these little planters. Sorry about the lighting. We're here where my grow light is, and so it's a little bit harsh lighting. But I'm really happy with them. Now, I am going to be watering them using this little bottle. This is what I use to water like my lithops, little small things. This is what I use to water the tree, the Christmas tree on the moss pole there. I use this to water it about once a week. So I would just take it. They don't need a whole lot of water because they're just little cuttings. The soil was very, very dry, and the cuttings were already calloused over where the original cutting was, and they're also getting roots too, so they'll absorb the water. So about once a week, I'll come and give them a little bit of water, not any type of dousing or anything like that, just a little bit here and there. And after a while, I'll give them a little tug, and if I feel some resistance, that means that they are rooting and they're grabbing hold of the soil. But I'll keep an eye on them to make sure that none of them go bad on me as far as any root rot or anything like that. Okay, but I think that these are going to make beautiful gifts, individual gifts. So thank you so much to the company Becco that sent it to me. I will put a link down below to them. They are offering also a 15% discount with the code that I have listed down below in the description box. So I would definitely recommend them to you. It's a beautiful, beautiful pots. Very classic, very elegant. And they are perfect for succulents like this, but you can also definitely put tropical plants, smaller tropical plants that come like in a 4-inch container or even a 2-inch container. You can pot them up in this also. Okay, so there you have it, friends. I appreciate your stopping by today and watching me pot up these succulents, and giving you some Christmas ideas also on what you could do for your family if you want to give them more of a personalized gift. And also you just don't have the cash to spend a whole lot. This is a great idea. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. We have a great plant community here, always helping each other out. And we would love to have you be part of our plant community. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.